Hello students, we are going through voice. In the last lecture, we have taken some examples of interrogative sentence to change into active voice or passive voice. Now the next type of the sentence, that is imperative sentence. You know that imperative sentence begins with main verb and at end there is full stop. In imperative sentence you will find request, suggestion, order, warning, etc. Now look, take the first example here. Example is there. For example, open the door. This is imperative sentence because there is beginning with main verb. Next, close your books. This is imperative sentence. Next, see here, please bring me a glass of water. Here this sentence is imperative sentence. Next, stand up on the bench. Imperative sentence. Next, walk fast to catch train. Full stop. See here some examples are written. The first example, open the door. Here open is the V1, imperative sentence is there, and this imperative sentence suggests order. Correct? There is order. Open the door. There is order. Close your books. This is suggestion. Right? Okay. Please bring me a glass of water. What is this? This is request, because please this word is used and this word show that there is the request. Stand up on the bench. This is order given by teacher. Walk fast to catch a train. This is suggestion. Right? Okay. In imperative sentence you will find order, request, suggestion, advice. Okay. Study hard to achieve good marks. Okay, see here, what is this? Study hard to achieve good marks. This is advice. Right? You will find this order, suggestion, request, advice, warning, etc. These things you will find in the imperative sentence. See here, that type of the sense you will find in the sentences. Each sentence begins with main verb in imperative sentence. Okay, please bring is a main verb. Stand up, stand is a main verb. Walk, study, these are the main verbs. It is clear that imperative sentence begins with main verb, at end there is full stop, and that sentence show order, suggestion, request, advice, warning, threat, etc. Correct? Now it is clear that imperative sentence begins with main verb and ends with full stop. Now the example for you. Example is open the door and the instruction is change the voice. See here. What is given? There is the first sentence, open the door, and instruction is change the voice. Okay. This is order. And in bracket, instruction is there, change the voice. Now, look here. Verb first is given. This is active voice. Active voice is there, and the kind of sentence is imperative sentence. When you change this active voice into passive voice, you should not change the meaning, tense, etc. Now look here, open the door, this is order. If there is order, that time your sentence, your passive voice begins with you are ordered to, like this. If there is order in the sentence, your passive voice will begin with you are ordered to. If there is request, that time your passive voice begin with you are requested to. You are requested to. Correct? And if there is suggestion, then advice, correct, then warning, etc. That time what will be there? That time your sentence begin with let, then object, then be, then verb, third, then remaining, last, full stop. If there is suggestion, advice in the imperative sentence, the passive voice begin with let plus object plus be plus verb third and last full stop. Correct? Okay. Look the first example. Open the door. This is order. So your answer, your passive voice begin with you are ordered to open the door. This will be the answer. You are ordered to open the door. What is done here? In the given sentence there is order. So our passive voice begin with you are ordered to. You are ordered to. This is added before the sentence. Look what is done here. You is a subject and are ordered. This is passive voice. Passive voice is done here. To open, it is infinitive, and the door is the object of this infinitive. You are ordered to is written at first, and then that main verb is placed after to make infinitive, and the object of this main verb is placed here as the object of infinitive. That is clear. Correct? Look what is done. Suppose this is the example and the instruction is change the voice. This is imperative sentence, and in this imperative sentence there is order. So that time we have to do like this. You are ordered to should be written at first, and then after to we have to place main verb to make infinitive, and the remaining sentence should be written there. Correct? Are ordered is the passive voice. Right? Next example. Example number 2. Please help me. Okay. Please, this is adverb, and help me is the verb. Help me is a main verb and me is a object. Help is a main verb, me is a object. There is imperative sentence. This is imperative sentence. Please help me. And in this imperative sentence, what is sense? The sense is there. There is the request. It is a request. Correct? Okay, this is a request. Now, if there is request, that time your passive voice will begin with. Your passive voice will begin with you are requested to. Correct? As we written, you are ordered to. We have to write here you are requested to. Now are requested. This is passive form. Are plus V3. This is passive form. And what should we do here? You are requested to help me. Now there is no need to write please, because please, this sense is there in this word requested. So there is no need to write twice. Correct? You are requested to. To is written here, and to help is a infinitive. Correct? And me is a object of this infinitive. Clear? See, what is done once again? Imperative sentence is given. Please shows request. So this is request. Okay. Now, when we want to change this active voice into passive voice, we have to start our sentence with you are requested to, and then that main verb should be placed after to, and object should be placed there. That time 2 plus V1 becomes infinitive form, and me is the object of this infinitive, and are requested is the passive voice. Right? Next example. Next example is there. Suppose the third example is like this. Change the voice. Here change is a V1 and the voice is a object. Right? Change the voice. This is the sentence and this is imperative sentence. This is a suggestion. Right? This is instruction. Correct? Instruction is there. Okay. And if there is instruction, suggestion, that time what should we do? We have to start the sentence with let, then object should be there, then be, and then verb third should be there. Okay, what is the passive voice of this example? Passive voice is, what should we do? We have to start our passive voice with let plus, what should be there? Object. Object is the voice. Correct. Then what should be there? Be. Right, be is written. And then verb third, change. It's verb third, changed. Let the voice be changed. This is passive voice.